Let's learn the JKL, JKL, JKL. Let's learn the JKL of the alphabet. Let's begin with letter J. J is for jaguar, jaguar, jaguar. J is for juice, 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 juice. J is for jasmine, jasmine, jasmine. Now we go with letter K. K is for koala, 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 koala. K is for key, 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 key. K is for Kevin, Kevin, Kevin. It's the turn for letter L. L is for lion, lion, lion. L is for lamp, 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 lamp. L is for Lucy, Lucy, Lucy. Congratulations! We just learned the letters J, K, and L.